Welcome to Gentry Estates. This is one of the best houses I've seen in Gentry Estates in years. Let's take a look. Great features throughout. There's a circular plan and main level hard surface flooring. There are 2 fireplaces and an open great room kitchen. There are 4 upper level bedrooms and a vaulted primary suite. Great amenities include a community pool on Gentry Estates. This house on over a quarter of an acre is on a quiet cul-de-sac and has great updates. My name is Jeff Franklin, FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com.